college student, full-time college student in her late 30s is looking for an offer in compromise on $71,000 of tax debt. I'm going to share my thoughts on the odds of this offer going through later in this video, but let's look at the question first. Offer in compromise. Has anyone successfully filed an OIC by themselves? I owe $71,000 in back taxes for the last 10 years, and I originally hired a company to help me out years ago, but it took the IRS several years to process 2013 and 14. Wow, it took the IRS several years? I assume she means the tax returns for these years. And now the company wants to pay a large amount. I assume the company wants her to pay a large amount all over again to proceed with an offer. Any suggestions? Company CPA's lawyer info would help greatly. I'm a full-time college student in my late 30s and currently and will be for at least another year low income. I live in South Texas, Gulf Coast. So, kind of like being unemployed, I see this a lot with people who racked up a lot of tax debt. Now they're back in school, not making a lot of money, and they think, oh, now would be a great time to settle with the government because I don't make a lot of money right now. Great time to submit an offer in compromise. Not so fast, because there's something called a future income collateral agreement, and the IRS loves making it a condition of offer acceptance in these situations. Okay, so the authority for this is in, or the IRS protocols for this is in IRM 5.8.6.2.1, future income. Check this out. It is appropriate to consider future income collateral agreements for individuals, LLCs, and corporations when the investigation reveals that a substantial increase in the taxpayer's future income is expected. The use of a future income collateral agreement may be an option when current income is lower than the taxpayer's earnings potential. Situations where the taxpayer's future income may be substantially higher include the following. The taxpayer's past income does not provide accurate analysis for what may be earned in the future based on their earnings potential due to their training or education. Check out the example right there. Example, the taxpayer is a student and is expected to graduate soon and begin earning a significant annual income. Okay? So kind of just like being unemployed. Oh, gosh, I lost my job. I'm unemployed. I'm not making as much money as I used to. Not so fast. I've talked about that in other videos. Kind of the same thing here. In this case, as a condition of offer acceptance, the IRS may insist on a future income collateral agreement, which means, look, we're going to accept this offer, okay? But, you're going to need to pay us 20% of your income earned over $40,000 over the course of the next 3 years, or something like that, right? Or something like that, right? So that's how those things usually work. But the terms could sometimes be negotiable with those future income collateral agreements, and oftentimes that is really where the negotiation is with the offer of compromise, especially with students who are in school who have racked up tax debt but have earning potential far outweighing what they make now as a student, right? Especially with those in professional training for professional careers like in medicine or law or something like this. Bigger question though here is I'm wondering if the collection statute is just going to drop off, because she's talking about the 13 and 14 tax years. There might be some later tax years too. She doesn't really say, but I mean, if 13 and 14 are the last years here, and the rest of the tax debt is from older years. But she said it took the IRS several years to process. I don't know. The better strategy here might just be to wait out the CSAT, right? It looks like, did she do an offer before? No, she didn't do an offer before. That would have extended the 10-year time limit. But maybe the best option here is to just, because this is fairly oldish tax debt, just wait out the collection statute. Right? Don't submit another offer here. Just wait out the collection statute, especially if you're going to be in school, for the foreseeable future. Okay. Not enough information here, obviously, to make a certain determination, but that should not be neglected, because the poster didn't even mention that as an option, but it could be a good one. All right, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and put it in the description below. Okay, play with Hot Wheels. I have some other videos here on the left-hand side of the screen. You could also visit us at choicetaxrelief.com. There should be a button that shows up somewhere around here. Visit our website. Give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. Fill out the form on the website or book a free consultation. Going to click the free consultation button at the top of the website, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, folks, thanks so much for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye.